assassination attempt?
I think I really want to dismiss with the contempt it deserves any form of state management. When I woke up yesterday to go around the campaign, I had no intention whatsoever to end up in hospital. I mean, really, this is of unnecessary cost. I think right now, every candidate, every penny counts because you want to do your best to win an election. And I think really those such allegations, especially in this case, the individual in question was there in person. It's not something that just happened because some people did it incognito. His individual was there in person with his caravan already there, using it as a political event to demolish my shed and build his with loud music. And I was only alerted when I was at an event nearby. And really, honestly, let the record be set straight. I don't want any form of sympathy. No, personally, we have done our own opinion polls, and I am leading. And my competitors know that. For example, in this ward that this attack happened, I am leading by 60%. It is my home ward. And in fact, the reason why this attack could not go further is because my own people stood up and told of that individual. So it's really totally unacceptable to imagine that somebody will go around peddling some conspiracy theory. I wouldn't want in any situation as a born-again Christian and believing in God to do such a thing. Personally, I don't want to discuss that. My next course of action is that I'm going to look for justice. But I want to say this. I really want to say this. It's really unfortunate that somebody would want to sense defeat and then do this. As a Christian, I forgive them. I really forgive them because this is more. I take it as a satanic attack. This is just people who want to stop us from serving the people of Kenya in truth and in spirit, in the Christian values, and so I forgive those who do that. But